guys, this is April, which is So Bored Again. Thanks so much for joining us. Today we're going to do just a quick little video of a review and kind of unboxing of this guy. It's going to be Hair Sensation Pro One-Step Hair Dryer and Styler. Dries and volumizes in one step with less heat damage. So we're going to go ahead and unbox it and show you what it comes with. Alright guys, so here it is out of the box. It did only come with this and the instruction manual. This is what it looks like, pretty big. It's not going to work on my short hair, but I'm going to go ahead and have my daughter come model for us and see how it goes. Alright, so I went ahead and bribed my model, so we're ready to go ahead and give this a try. She does have a really thick hair, so I did go ahead and portion it out so that we're only going to be doing a little bit. We're going to work our way from the bottom to the top. So let's give it a try. There is different settings here. There's the cool, the low, and the high. So I'm probably going to try the high. Alright, there it is so far. It did not take long at all to dry, and she has really thick hair. It does get really hot, so you might want to switch it to the cool or low when you're near their scalp. She doesn't like hot stuff, so it's probably getting pretty toasty for her. I'm going to go ahead and finish out her whole hair, and we'll be back to give you my thoughts. Alright everybody, so here is the finished product. It did take about 20 to 30 minutes from start to finish. As I had mentioned, she does have very thick hair. And this would be for more of a blowout style, not just for everyday blow drying. So you can see that. And I did have to do what I had told you I probably would, and I would use the cool setting here at her scalp, and then I would finish off with the hot setting. And I did use high the entire time. So I did ask her if it pulled, and she said no, it didn't. She just didn't like the heat, but she hates hot stuff. So I'd probably give it an 8, 8.5. Probably wouldn't use it every day because it did take a lot of time for her hair, but if you had thinner hair or whatever, it would work great. But overall, good product. Did like it, and I will catch you next time when I'm just so bored again. I'll make another video.